Good morning prep class. Today is day 22 and our topic is table of 3. Please take out your notebook. Firstly you write topic table of 3. Today you write and learn half table of 3. First you learn 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. You repeat this again and again and then you write on your notebook neat and clean. You write 3 on one box and then you write multiplication on another box. So you done your table like this and your diary is there, CW is HW. And please